Hi guys, I'm Ismin Mahmoud from Visual Do Institute, School of Creative Art, Film, Photography and Design. Visualize it and do it. Today is World Wildlife Day. I welcome you all. Happy World Wildlife Day. Today we are in Giraffe Center to celebrate this day. We are doing wildlife photography, especially in bird photography, and we are on the nature trail side. As you can see, we're in the forest searching for birds. I have my colleagues there, and we are here to do bird photography.